Hey guys, this is Aksara from MeshPy, and in this video we are going to be taking a look at the sound test of the Gateron Yellow Optical Switches. Without further ado, let's get started. For this test, I'll be using the Blitzwolf BW KB2 mechanical keyboard that comes with the 87 keys, or better known as the 10 keyless form factor. The version I'm using has the Gateron Yellow Optical Switches. The Gateron Yellow switches are linear switches with a unique sound. These switches are the go-to for a reliable linear switch on a budget. Here's what it sounds like. And here's a small comparison of the Gateron Yellow switches with the Gateron Blues and the Gateron Greens. If you want to learn more about this keyboard, I've written a full review on my blog, links down in the description. If you found this video to be useful, please consider subscribing to MeshPy. If you have any questions regarding the Gateron Yellow switches or about the keyboard, feel free to drop them in the comments. This is Aksara signing off. See you guys in the next video.